Dalton Simonson, 18 years old.
19.
They start every half.
It's a John Deere 4455. Some of the sponsors, Performance Machine and Simonson Farms.
Machines sitting there not doing anything.
It's fogging for mosquitoes.
Probably
Yeah. I'll have to have him bring the tractor down.
We got a red one out front, orange one in second. We'll see if this John Deere can shake up those top two right now. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, new leader right there, 3:35 and 9. Woohoo! 35 and 9 for Dalton Simonson. We got a green one out front. We dropped Mr. Dangle down to second and Mr. Teese to third. But we still got 8 hard.